Hi, I'm Anil Padipalli. I have created an user interface by using Toolkit interface module, which looks like this. And for this, I have used window and I have placed title for it like heart attack prediction. And the geometry for this is 1600 into 900, which shows the size of the window. And the background color is gray color, which I have placed. And the message, which is the heart attack prediction, which is placed here. This is the title of this. And this x equal 400 and y equal 20 defines the place where the string is to be placed or text is to be placed. And these four variables are created to store the output of four algorithms. So as of now, we have just created the user interface for this. uh, and I have created labels for this attributes. Um, Firstly, we have to know what is a label in this interface. Uh, a label is a toolkit interface widget class which is used to display text or an image. The label is a widget that the user just views but not interact with. And the parameters used in this label are root window. The text that is to be placed here is age for the first attribute. Like this, we have that 13 attributes, and the 14th attribute is the output. And the rest of the parameters are label width, label height, foreground color, background color, and font. The font which is here used is Times New Roman uh, with size 15 and which is in bold. And these are the labels which I have created. Total, I have created 17 labels, including output labels and input labels. And I have created some buttons like submit, exit, help buttons. These are the buttons which I have created, and these are the labels which I have created here. Thank you.
This is Shravya Samineni. The part I have created in our project group is text area and creating labels. Text area. To create the text widget, we used the toolkit interface module. In these parameters, we used to create this widget are text widget are root window with background color, foreground color, width of the height, and font type of text. Okay, this is the text area that I have created. Coming to the output, we can see here the text area labels. Okay. Uh, this is the part of creating the labels, where a label is a toolkit interface widget class which is used to display text or an image. The label is a widget that the user just views but not to interact with. In this labels we have the uh, like attributes root window, width of the label, height of the label, foreground color and background color, and the font, where we can see in help button where these are the attributes I have created: age, sex, chest pain, resting bp, cholesterol, fasting blood sugar, resting ecg, thalas, exchange, and old peak, slope, and ca. It is number of major vessels and tal.
I am Gautam Meneni. I have created labels for description and range values in the help window. This is the code for ranges and description. Here, label is a tkinter widget class which is used to display text or an image. The label is a widget that the user just views but not interact with. Here, the label has different parameters, which such as root window, width of label, height of label, foreground color, background color, and font. And this is our main page, which is heart attack prediction. Whenever a user clicks the help button, it displays attributes, range and description, and for each attribute there is a range and there is a certain value and description. For age, the range is from 0 to 120, which describes patient's age, and the next attribute is sex, 0 or 1. 0 is for female, 1 is for male, and CP refers to chest pain, 0 or 3, and test BPS the range is 60 to 250, and cholesterol is from 126 to 564, and FBS refers to fasting blood sugar, and the range is 0 or 1, and the next one is resting ECG, which is 0 or 2, which refers to 0 refers to normal, 1 refers to wave abnormality, and 2 refers to left ventricular hypotherapy, and Thalats refers to maximum heart rate achieved, and the range is less than or equal to 220. Next one is Exang, 0 or 1. Owl peak refers to 0 to 6.2, and the next attribute slope refers to 0 to 2, and CA refers to number of major vessels colored by fluoroscopy. The value is from 0 to 2, and Thal and the range is from 1 to 3.
My name is Venkata Vishnupriya Gottipati. My contribution to the project is I have created the submit button. When the user gives the corresponding input values, the output can be viewed using the submit button. All the inputs are appended to the variables called A, B, C, D using the get method. We import Pandas, which is a software library from the Kaggle, and named it as PD. We use my data is a data frame in which we read the flat file's name hard123.csv. X and y are the two variables. X is an independent variable and y is a dependent variable. Y is called as a dependent variable because the target depends upon the x independent values like age, sex, etc. We use train and test method, which helps to measure the accuracy of the model. It splits the data into two sets, training set and the test set. Training set creates the data and the testing set tests the data. If we see the output of the project, here is a submit button and the input values are given here at their corresponding attributes. That's the contribution to my project from my end. Thank you.